Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a 3-ingredient mango ice cream. Want to know what to do with all those mangoes you suddenly have lying around? Stay tuned. So our first ingredient, yogurt, 1 cup. You are going to put it in the bottom of the blender because your mangoes will stick to the blades of the blender if you do not do it this way. Now you're going to squeeze half of the lemon into the blender and you're going to proceed to blend and push the mangoes down, continuously adding pieces of mangoes while you blend. To make this mango ice cream, all you need is 2 medium-sized mangoes, peeled, cubed, and frozen. You'll also need a half of a lemon and a cup of yogurt, preferably Greek-style yogurt. Okay, so after tasting my mango ice cream, it was not sweet enough, so I added a tablespoon of confectioner sugar, and it was nice and done. Now we're gonna store our ice cream in the fridge for up to 30 minutes before serving, just so it could get nice and firm. You could store this in a plastic container and use as you like.